John, I've been stuck in the same position for the past 4 years and I think I deserve a promotion. Does it usually take that long to get promoted? The answer to this is it depends. Organizations all vary in terms of their culture, their structure, and their criteria on whether an employee should be promoted. There are two things I'd like you to consider, however. Number one, if you want to get promoted, don't just perform according to your own standards of merit. Perform based on the criteria set by the company. For example, some companies can promote you based on your development of skills, technical skills such as sales, public speaking, communication, negotiation. And some companies don't just promote in terms of technical skills, they also promote based on behavioral skills. Is this person exhibiting leadership skills? Is this person showing the ability to create networks and relate with other people? Is this person exhibiting teamwork? So cover all bases and make sure that you are aware of them because most organizations publish and make this criteria known to everyone. Number two, I want you to consider that you cannot rush getting promoted across your career. It may take 1 to 2 years if you want to be promoted from being an intern to an associate. But the higher the position that you're aspiring for, the longer it will take to master the skill. So it can take you 4 years or 5 years from becoming an associate to a group manager, and can take you another 7 years or 8 years to be promoted to a director position. So it's not about hurrying up. It's about being able to exhibit that the criteria set by the company are the same skills or behaviors that you are already displaying. I wish you the best in your career. Good luck.